Welcome class to today's math lesson. This week we're going to work on two works. The first one is called Tables A and B. It's a real simple multiplication practice. Now you'll be able to find this in your Montessori math packet if you got that with your school supplies this year, or you can find it right here under these attachments, Tables A and B. And here it is. Looks like a number of multiplication problems, just practicing your math facts here. And this is going to get us ready for the next work we're going to do later in the week. These works are building up, they're working together. You'll see over the next couple weeks that these works we're doing are going to give you some tools that are going to really help you with some cool new math that we're going to be doing here. So each lesson's kind of connected to the last. You'll see how. This week we're practicing tables A and B. Real simple, really. We're just finding the math facts for, or rather the products of these multiplication problems, 2 through 10. Now, in order to do this work, I can do it in that packet with a pencil. Now I can also do it here on the iPad. I'm just going to show you on the iPad because it's good for demonstrating. So if I want to do that, I just tap that arrow and copy to Notability and create a new note. And then on the top of your page here, it says Import. One more time, I'm just going to show you how I did that. The middle button is Create New Note and Import. That'll open up tables A and B right here in Notability. Now I can work with it here. Real simple. I mean, all I'm doing here is I'm finding the math facts. So finding the product of 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Pretty simple, right? Now, if for some reason I wasn't sure about one of these, though, I could double check it, and I'm going to show you how now. So last week you did a work in either Notability or in your math packet, coloring the multiples on the 100 paper. So you see here's our index, and I can see that the multiples packet here is pages 2 through 11. This week we're doing tables A and B on pages 12 and 13, or you're doing it here on your iPad. Multiples of 1 are kind of obvious. We're skipping that because it's every number. It's just tedious. But the multiples of 2 are here. We did this. We colored them green because in Montessori those green beads are represent 2s. And I see here that I've got the math facts, the products of 2, the multiples of 2. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. So I can take this and I can use this to solve my other work. So I can go right in here and I can let's see here. So let's see, which one was I looking for? I was on 2 times 9. So 2 times 9. So I'm going to go back to my multiples page here, and I'm going to count. Here's 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 times 9 is 18. I chose a very easy one there. 18. But let's take a look at something that might be a little bit less common. Let's move over to the 4s column here and move down to, say, 4 times 9. 4 times 9. So now I'm in the 4s column, and I'm looking for a multiple of 4 and 9. So I'm going to go back to my packet here, and we're going to go to the 4s, and I'm going to count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So you see, even though there's a lot here, that was 36. Now, of course, I would have done that. I would have probably done all these first to find 4 times 9. And once I know 4 times 9, I also know 9 times 4 is 36. So we're doing some review, some practice. We're connecting last week's work with some new work. All of the all of the answers that I'm going to be looking for here I can find in the work that I did last week, and these two works are going to work together to help me with the next project I'm going to be doing this week. That's all for this work. Finish your work either on your iPad or and take a screenshot to submit, or on paper and take a picture to submit. Have some fun with this. It is a cool work connecting these past couple weeks' works together. And let me know if you have any questions.